Hello, my name is Paula, and today I got my very first Boxycharm box. I have received some other makeup subscription boxes that I have really enjoyed, but this is my first one from Boxycharm. So I'm fixing to open it, and if you want to see what's in it, keep watching. If you're new to my channel and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like what you see and hear, give me a big thumbs up. So this is my first Boxycharm box. This is the base box, and the base box was $25, and I haven't even opened it, so I'm fixing to cut it open. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to cut myself. I'm gonna have to get some different scissors or something over here. These are not sharp enough to, there we go. Hello, Charmer. Okay. Oh, I'm already excited about something that I see. Boxycharm. Got some foam in there. Let's see if it's got a card. Some people have been saying they've got a card, and some people said that they have not. And I did not get a card. So I'm going to go ahead and record all this, and after I've made this, I will find the prices that each of them, and I will put it up here so that we'll know exactly what each one of them was, and then I'll be able to give you a total at the end, because remember it was $25. Okay, so the first item that I saw that I really like are these makeup brushes, and I'm just beginning all of my makeup journey and my collections, and I don't have a lot of makeup brushes, so I'm really excited to get these. And these are beautiful colors. Look at these beautiful colors. Aren't these pretty? Love those. This one says tapered blending. The blending one for eyeshadow. That says pencil. So say this will be good to put color in on your eyes. Pencil. That was the pencil one. This one. Fine liner. I've been wearing eyeliner, and I have recently stopped because of my hooded eyes, and then it would bleed into my wrinkles. So I kind of quit wearing that, and I've been wearing some just darker eyeshadow right here at the base of my eyes, and putting some shadow down here, and then doing some eyeliner in my waterline, because I'd really never. Baddington lashes. I do not wear false lashes. I have had lash extensions before, and they kind of messed up my regular eyelashes, so I've stayed away from them. I've tried putting on false eyelashes myself. I've watched tons and tons of videos on how to do it. Never been good at it, but I have a lot of friends that wear these, and I have a friend that her daughter is just now getting into her career of being a makeup artist, so I'll probably give these to her, and she'll love those, because I've already given her one pair and she just absolutely loved them. Okay, the next one is Iconic, and it is an illuminator. Iconic London Illuminator, and that's like a highlighter. It's got a little dropper there. See, this is my second unboxing, and I didn't wipe off, so let's put a little bit on this. I don't want to, oh, there we go. I say I don't want to use too much. There we go. It's kind of, ooh, that'll be pretty. That'll be a pretty illuminator. It definitely does highlight that, doesn't it? It'll be pretty though. I'll learn how to use it better as time goes by. Okay, the next one is Intensive Eye Cream, Day and Night Eye Cream from QMS Medi Cosmetics. From QMS Medi Cosmetics, Intensive Eye Cream, Day and Night Eye Cream. Here it is. I always love eye cream. I have older, getting bags, okay, and it has a seal on it. I already have some eye cream open, so I don't want to open this one right now because I don't want it to spoil or get messed up. Okay, the next one is the Professional Pore Primer. Soothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. The Professional Pore Primer. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. And I'm not gonna open it either, just because I have some that I'm already using. Like I say, I don't want them to ever go bad. And this one's by Benefit. See, yeah, it has a seal on it too. I really like that they have those safety seals. That always makes me feel much, much better. Okay, this next item I'm thinking is, yes, what I'm so excited about. I'm thinking it's a palette. Yes. Look. Oops. Oh! Okay, let me get this plastic off of it. Yes, so it's, I don't know how to say this one. Zova Artisto. Zova Aristo? Maybe that's it. I'm not sure. Okay, let's open it up and see what all it looks like. Isn't that pretty? Excited about this one. Yes. Okay, doesn't have a mirror in it, but that's okay. I don't always use those little mirrors because I like to use my bigger mirror. But here's the colors. Look at those shimmers. Aren't they pretty? Okay, let's see if I can do some swatches on it. Okay, this first one says, in the ground. In the ground. Like a brown. Isn't that pretty? The next one says, energetic. That one's got quite some shimmer to it. You can tell. Like that one too. The next one is naturalist. These are feel good. I like that one. Naturalist. Put some more on that one. Yeah. See, I would probably add more to it. Build it up a little bit there. Okay, the next one says prehistory, and it kind of looks like a mustardy, light mustard yellow there. Look how pretty that one is. See if I get it to focus better. Oh, that one's pretty too. Central figure. That one kind of has an orangey tint to it. Like that one. I like them all. What am I saying? Okay, the next one is the Goddess. The Goddess. Ooh, look at that. Nice and shiny. I like that one too. The next one is Plotos. Plautos. That's a nice neutral. That would be a good neutral to go with a lot of things, but it still builds up. Like that one. The next one is air and water. Let's see. I'm running out of room because I'm not doing this very good. Here's air and water. So this is a good neutral palette that will go with a lot of different things. This one's called Blessing. Blessing. It's kind of got a little bit of a blue tint to it. Not bad, but it's pretty. And another one is Mother's House. And that one too has blue. Those are pretty, aren't they? I really do like this palette. This is a good palette. I'm excited to get to add it to my collection. Looking this way, you can see. Aren't those pretty? Yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, so remember, I'll be putting the prices up here once I find them. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here. The box was $25, and I received 1, 2, the lashes, the primer, that's 3, the illuminator, 4, and the eye cream, 5, and the brushes, 6. So I received 6 items for $25, and once I find out how much they all are, I'll put their value up here. Already, without ever knowing how much it is, I think it's a great buy. I am very excited. I'm very happy about it, and what more can I say? I'm excited to get to play with it all and use it all. Do you think it was worth the $25? Did you get the boxy base? What did you like from your box? Did you get the same box that I did? Did you get any of the same items? Which was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and as always, be the beauty you are meant to be. Bye-bye.